Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you block someone on LinkedIn. So firstly, log into your LinkedIn account. So once you're logged in, so so if you want to block someone that you're already connected with for whatever reason that you want to block them, so all you have to do is once you've logged in, go to your profile. Okay, click on your profile. Your profile. So once you get into your profile, what you can do is click on my network. All right, click on my network. So here under manage my network, click on connections. So that will list all those people that you are connected to in LinkedIn. So here you choose the person whom you want to block. So for example, I'm just choosing just a random one here. So okay, choose this one, this person here. So now, so you just once you choose the person, click on it. So click on their profile. So here, so what I'm going to do is there's an option here called more. Click on more. So once you click on more, there you will find all these options here. So here, if you see the second last one, it says report or block. So click on report or block, and here it's going to ask you what do you want to do. So if you want to block this person, then go for the last option. It says block. Right. Click on block, and here it's going to ask you just a confirmation like, are you sure you want to block? So all you have to do is click block. So that will block this person, and you are no longer connected with this person. And hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So I will see you guys in another video soon.